Guys, this is day 11 and we are here at Lake Tekapo. This is the view. So today we are going to Mount Cook to see snow, or just explore the mountains. And yeah, yesterday we sat here and watched did stargazing a little bit. It's too cold, too cold here. Like the degree is, I guess, 4 or 5 only, but still, and there's no wind, but still it is very close to snowy mountains right up there. So ठंडी बहुत लग रही है, extreme. I'll go inside because I'll freeze otherwise. So yeah, I'll quickly take a shower and I'll be right back. Maggie and popcorners for breakfast. We have lost it. So I'm all ready. This is my outfit. Very plain, very simple. Repeating my outfit. You have seen this outfit. I think this is thrice, I guess, because I have to wear this. This is the most warmest tee I have. And आज तो मैं स्नो में जा रही हूँ, though there is no other option than wearing this. I hate it that I have to repeat my outfits. I have so many outfits left, but ठंडी पहले. Otherwise I won't be able to survive for long. ऊपर warm भी पहनूंगी, सब कुछ पहनूंगी, but still I know I will feel cold because मेरा wind cold tolerance, wind tolerance कम है. So basically ये ट्रिप में जितने स्कैम हुआ है ना, I can't tell you. Again हमारे साथ स्कैम हो गया. हमें लगा कि हम लोग स्नो वाले माउंटेन्स पे जा रहे हैं, but we are here. This is it. If you want to go to this snow wala mountain, then we have to trek for 2 hours, which is impossible because, as you guys know, I have got hurt and दूसरे लोग भी कोई करने के वो है नहीं. So I think this is it for us. So we have nothing to do here. So we are going back to our hotel after traveling for 2.5 hours for nothing. 2.5 था for nothing. So after we went to the scam place, we had lunch and then we came back, and because we were doing long distance, so now look at
I miss Sana Didi so much.
Didi.
आपण शरीर राहिलं की
दीदी उसने पहली बार बोला है और ये दीदी के साथ ये सब करती है.
I miss Sana Didi so much.
चुप था. She's 14, so technically she.
I'm 15, Sana, you idiot. And हमारा मैं महीना 16 था इस.
Okay, so technically she is 15, 16. तो उसको दीदी बोलना चाहिए, but वो बोलती नहीं है क्योंकि उसमें शर्म नहीं है. But daily ritual. I don't know what she's up to.
Piggy.
इसलिए ये 15 साल की है. देखाड़ मोड़ू देखाड़. Now we have nothing to do, so we just sit and gossip about other people, which we can't name because थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा ना. So yeah, this is it. And मेरे को पता है इसके बाद हम लोग स्टार गेजिंग करने के लिए बात कर रहे हैं, बट वो तो होगा नहीं, एंड फिर हम लोग सो जाएंगे. दानिया, would you like to come for star gazing?
Yes, please.
तो आज रात में जाइए. Yeah, we'll plan. अगर दानिया उठी तो ठीक है, जो मेरे को लग नहीं रहा है, but let's see. And it's a house full. Won't be able to record more because it's prohibited. But so finally the day is going to end. Right now at this point it's 11, but we have danced a lot. I'm not going to show the videos because some things are meant to be private. So yeah, but I had so much fun. We danced with parents, then we danced only friends like cousins, and yeah, that is it for today. It was so fun. We loved it, every bit of it. And yeah, now I'll be sleeping because tomorrow we have to wake up early because we are going somewhere else. Bye. see you tomorrow.